Choosing the wrong project can kill motivation. Today I'll show you how to use Collab.dev to find projects in under 3 minutes. Here's Collab.dev. Think of it as sort of an X-ray for all open source projects. It shows you what's really happening behind the scenes. So let's analyze a project. I'll choose one. We can try Facebook/React just to see what a massive project looks like. Also, not every project is on Collab.dev. If you can't see your project, you can add a new repo here. But since Facebook React is on Collab.dev, I'll just search it up here. Here's React's collaboration report. These metrics tell you if a project welcomes beginners. Let me show you what to check. First, community versus core team PRs. See this pie chart? 20% community PRs. If you're new, you probably want at least 30% from the community. If it's all core team, they may not accept outside help, especially beginners. Next, bot activity. Some bots are good. They run tests. But if most comments are from bots, there's not a lot of human interaction. Might be helpful for bigger projects since they need more automation. But as someone joining in as a beginner, you probably want humans reviewing your code. Next, review merge coverage. This shows what percentage of PRs actually get reviewed. You want 80% or higher. Low coverage means your PR might sit there forever or just get merged without any proper review. Now, this is crucial. Review turnaround time. Look for projects that get reviewed under 48 hours to 24 hours. Some projects can take days, which is fine for them, but as a beginner, you probably need faster feedback, or you'll probably forget your own code, or it just lays there. And finally, check out this graph. Turnaround time by PR size. Small PRs should merge within 5 days. Even if tiny PRs take weeks, it's probably best to stay away. Now here's the power move, comparing projects. You can head over to the comparisons page and compare different projects that you're curious about and see what metrics there are. So let's compare React versus Svelte, its top competitor. Here are the comparison pages for Facebook, React, and Svelte. It's really cool. You can see which projects have what metrics, and it's really helpful in deciding which project to begin with. Ideally, you would want to pick the project with the most ideal metrics for your needs. So here's your exact process. Step 1, find 5 projects at least that you're interested in on GitHub. Step 2, run each through Collab.dev. It takes about 30 seconds each. Step 3, find a way to track all of these metrics. Note their community percentage, review time, and coverage. I would recommend a spreadsheet. Step 4, pick the top 2 based off of your metrics. And step 5, you can actually check their actual issues on GitHub. That's it. That's how you can use Collab.dev to find your next project to contribute to.